Away they go. It's a jump start beginning for Newsmaker from the outside, never on Sunday. Dynamic Love racing on the outside, Elusive Wind on the inside, and racing by the Sincerely Devil. Under further outside, Stormy Norman. Entry number 3, Ideal View. Newsmaker, Dynamic Love. And moving up on the outside, Stormy Norman. Never on Sunday, Elusive Wind, Sincerely Devil. And rounding the partner, Newsmaker, is Stormy Norman. Dynamic Love is watching in third position as they race the final corner. Newsmaker by Anek, Stormy Norman. Dynamic Love is racing by Drell as they race the last 200. Dynamic Love's now the leader. Newsmaker on the outside, never on Sunday. And nearing the finish line, Dynamic Love by about 2 lengths. And finally, NK Kalingasan on Dynamic Love. Newsmaker, never on Sunday. Stormy Norman.